Snapchat introduces native iPad support with latest update. Snapchat has finally rolled out native support for the iPad devices after 13 years of its launch, meaning iPad users can now enjoy a full-screen Snapchat experience. The instant messaging app was rolled out on iOS in 2011. However, the app only had iPhone support, and the iPad users had to use the iPhone app with huge black borders around it. The new feature was spotted in Snapchat 13.4.0.41 on the App Store, stating that the app now offers native support for iPad. Now, when users capture photo or video snaps on the iPad, it will present a larger canvas to them. The feature will also enable to see more friends on the second and fourth taps. However, it appears that Snapchat hasn't fully optimized its app for iPad yet, as currently it can only run in portrait mode and there's no way to use the app in landscape mode. It's worth noting that many popular apps, including Instagram, still haven't made any efforts yet to introduce native support on iPads. Earlier this year, Snapchat also introduced many AI-based features to its app, including an option to talk to My AI in a direct chat, to create reminders or start a countdown. Furthermore, users can create Bitmoji avatars with the help of AI.